Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to recover a disabled Instagram account. So, if your Instagram account has been disabled and you're unsure how to get it back, whether it was disabled due to policy violations or by mistake, this guide will walk you through the steps to recover your Instagram account in 2025. So, step 1 is identifying the reason for disablement. So, when you try to log in, Instagram will show a message explaining why your account was disabled. Some common reasons include violating community guidelines, suspicious activity, or mistaken disablement. Now, step 2 is submitting an appeal to Instagram. Open the Instagram app and try logging in. Now, if prompted, tap the Request a Review option, and if you can't log in, go to Instagram Help Center page. Simply open any browser, type in Instagram Help Center. Now click on Instagram Help Center page and this will take you to this page. Now fill out the My Instagram account was disabled form. So you'll have to simply click on the search articles and type in disabled. Now, as you can see, it says if your Instagram account was disabled, you will see a message telling you when to try to log in, and accounts that don't follow the community guidelines for Instagram may be disabled. So if you think your account was disabled by mistake, you'll have to simply ask them to review the decision by opening the app, entering your username and password, and following the on-screen instructions you're going to get there. Now, if you don't see a disabled message, you may experience a login issue, and if your account was deleted by you or someone with your password, there's no way to restore it. So, provide your username, email, and a clear explanation of why your account should be restored in the disabled form. So, on this page, you'll have to simply click on this Visit This Page link, and Instagram will open up where it will show Request Instagram Support. Now, why can't you get into your account? You'll have to simply choose My Account was disabled and click Next. Now, enter your username, phone number, or email, and a clear explanation of why your account should be restored on the next page. Click Next and they will verify your request. Also, Instagram may ask you to upload a photo of yourself holding a code they provide. In some cases, you may need to submit an official ID that matches the details on your account. Now, step 4 is waiting for the Instagram's response. So Instagram usually reviews appeals within 24 to 72 hours. So check your emails for updates, and if your first appeal is rejected, you can submit another after a few days. Now, if you're not getting a response, try reaching out through Facebook Business Support. You can explain the situation and provide necessary details for faster assistance. And if your appeal is denied permanently, your best option is to create a new Instagram account. Follow Instagram's guidelines to avoid future issues, and recovering a disabled Instagram account requires patience and following the correct appeal process. If you believe your account was disabled unfairly, keep appealing until you get a response. So these were the ways through which you can recover a disabled Instagram account. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.